Stand in Tadasana. Remember what you felt. Now move the hip bones towards each other. The sit bones will move a little away from each other, circularly. But the sensation of doing that goes to your sacrum. The wider the sacrum, the better the pose. In fact, of all the yoga poses I know, there is not a single posture in which you are making that narrow. In every posture, make the sacrum wide. And if you observe it carefully, you will find the back of the sacrum is wider than the front of the sacrum. The front widens also, but the back widens much more than the front. The combination of that goes to a sensation of space in the front of the sacrum. See that the two sides of that space are equal in feeling. Now carefully, without disturbing what you have created, consider your tailbone. Don't tuck or untuck the tailbone. Just slowly let the tailbone float forward towards the pubis. Assuming there is a sense of space in the front, let the tailbone float forward towards the pubis. All that effect is to balance the breath between the left and the right side of that tailbone.